Class 12th English medium. Today in your online class subject physics, you have studied in earlier online classes chapter 7 alternating current. So you have studied in earlier online classes that last online class the definition of the reactance, impedance and resistance. So here we have calculate the value of reactance, impedance, clear? When any alternating current circuit is connected only resistance, only capacitor or only inductive coil, ठीक है? So in three cases we have calculate the value of reactance and calculate the value of phase difference between the applied potential difference and alternating current. So here in first is that alternating current circuit when only the ohmic resistance is connected. Only ohmic resistance is connected in any alternating current circuit. So what is the value of effective resistance in this case when only ohmic resistance is connected in the alternating current circuit? So here what is the phase difference between the applied voltage and alternating current, and what is the value of their reactance in this case? So here draft diagram is that resistance capital R only connected and alternating voltage जो EMF है that is alternating voltage V equal to V0 sin omega t. It is the function of sine. It is the function of applied alternating voltage or EMF, that source, clear, and a resistance, ohmic resistance capital R is connected and this symbol is that alternating, क्योंकि ग्राफ से बताया गया था आपको. सो हियर अल्टरनेटिंग वोल्टेज का सिंबल, ठीक है. सो हियर द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, द इनसाइड ऑफ द रेसिस्टेंस कैपिटल आर इज दैट V when alternating current I is flow in this circuit, clear, with the applied alternating voltage V equal to V0 sin omega t. So here let capital R is a ohmic resistance applied alternating voltage is that V equal to V0 sin omega t. Then the potential difference, between two insides of resistance is V. Then by Ohm's law, I equal to V upon R. So here we have calculated the value of I equal to V upon R. So put the value of V here. So I equal to V0 sin omega t upon R. If we put V0 upon R equal to I0, then I equal to I0 sin omega t. So here I equal to I0 sin omega t is the alternating current, ठीक है, is flow in this case, in this alternating current circuit, and applied voltage V equal to V0 sin omega t. Clear? So it is clear that the applied voltage V equal to V0 sin omega t and current, alternating current I equal to I0 sin omega t, they are in same phase. They are in same phase. No any phase difference between the applied alternating voltage V equal to V0 sin omega t and alternating current I equal to I0 sin omega t. Here they are in same phase. No any phase difference. Clear? And here I0 is the peak value of the current. I0 is the peak value of alternating current. So here we can calculate the value of reactance in this alternating current circuit, in this case when only ohmic resistance is connected. So here V0 upon R equal to I0, then V0 upon I0 equal to R. So V0 upon I0 is the ratio between voltage and current. So it is the value of resistance, effective resistance. So here Z R, here X R equal to R. Here रिएक्टेंस की कैलकुलेशन होगी. रिएक्टेंस के लिए आपको बताया गया था कि यू हैव कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ रिएक्टेंस इन एनी अल्टरनेटिंग करंट सर्किट व्हेन ओनली वन एंड ओनली वन फैक्टर्स सच एज ओनली resistance or only capacitor or only inductive coil are connected in any alternating current circuit, then you can calculate the value of effective resistance called reactance. So reactance in this circuit, reactance is denoted by capital X. So capital X is the, और R यहाँ पर लिखने का है कि when only ohmic resistance is connected. So X are equal to R. So it is clear that the effective resistance of the alternating current circuit when only ohmic resistance is connected, then that means effective resistance is called reactance is equal to the actual external resistance. That means the reactance and resistance are in same, and it is clear that no any phase difference between applied voltage and alternating current, and their resistance is also, their reactance is also equal to the external resistance. So it is clear that this, in this case when only ohmic resistance is connected in any alternating current circuit, the alternating current circuit it behaves as a DC circuit. Clear? ये एक डीसी सर्किट की तरह बिहेव करता है, और इस तरह से हम पाते हैं कि इसमें कोई फेज डिफरेंस नहीं होता और इसका रिएक्टेंस जो है इफेक्टिव एक्सटर्नल रेसिस्टेंस की इक्वल होता है. तो ये हमारा केस हुआ. इसके बाद हम आगे देख रहे हैं सिंगल के लिए आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. 3 केसेस आपको बताया था. In case of the calculation of the reactance, only resistance is connected, only capacitor is connected, only coil is connected. 3 cases के लिए reactance का calculation आपको करना है. तो फर्स्ट केस आपका हो गया है. सेकेंड केस मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि सेकेंड केस में है कि in any alternating current circuit when only capacitor is connected. तो सेकेंड केस है when in AC circuit only capacitor are is connected. तो हमको कैलकुलेट करना है कि व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ देयर रिएक्टेंस, व्हाट इज द फेज डिफरेंस बिटवीन द अप्लाइड वोल्टेज एंड अल्टरनेटिंग करंट. सो आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. तो कैपेसिटर इज कनेक्टेड हियर. सो सर्किट इज दैट हियर इट इज ए कैपेसिटर C and alternating voltage is applied here also in same as the V equal to V0 sin omega t here. Then potential difference between two plates of any capacitor is that C. When applied voltage V equal to V0 sin omega t, then current I, then alternating current is I flow in this circuit through the capacitor. So capacitors is charged and get the maximum potential difference between two plates. Here the potential achieved between the plates of the capacitor is that V in any time, and if it is assumed that the stored charge in the plate by the capacitor is Q here. So here applied voltage, applied alternating voltage V equal to V0 sin omega t. Clear? Capacity is C. Potential difference between the plates, of capacitor is V. So charge Q is stored in the plates of capacitor. So here we can find the value of current. We know that Q equal to CV. So here I equal to dq upon dt. I equal to dq upon dt. The rate of flow of electric charge is equal to the electric current. So I equal to dq upon dt. Then I equal to d upon dt into cv, and put the value of v here. So I equal to d upon dt c v0 sin omega t. So I equal to c आउटसाइड में आएगा, ठीक है, c v0 then d upon dt sin omega t. Clear? So I equal to c v0, I equal to c v0, और हमको डिफरेंशिएशन करना है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t ऑफ साइन ओमेगा t का. तो साइन ओमेगा t का आएगा cos ओमेगा t इंटू ओमेगा. ओमेगा t को एक फंक्शन माने, ठीक है, साइन अल्फा, तो साइन अल्फा का हुआ cos अल्फा, अल्फा माने ओमेगा t. तो फिर अल्फा का हमें करना पड़ेगा, मतलब d अपॉन dt ऑफ ओमेगा t. तो ओमेगा बाहर आएगा, dt अपॉन dt 1 हो जाएगा. आप डिफरेंशियल जानते हैं. सो हियर I इक्वल टू cv0 ओमेगा cos ओमेगा t. क्लियर? अब आप ये देखें कि यहाँ cos का फंक्शन, यहाँ क्या है, cos का फंक्शन है, इसको साइन में होना चाहिए, तब तो हम अप्लाइड वोल्टेज और अल्टरनेटिंग करंट का कंपेयर कर सकते हैं कि दोनों में फेज डिफरेंस कितना है, किस तरह से होगा. तो यहाँ पर लिखेंगे पुट cv0 omega equal to I0, where I0 is the peak value of the current, where I0 is the peak value of current. So here cv0, next step is that I equal to I0 cos omega t. Here to compare the applied voltage V equal to V0 sin omega t, the applied voltage, and alternating current I equal to I0 cos omega t. So it is necessary that it is the function is also in function of sine. So we can change it in the function of sine. So I equal to I0 sin omega t plus pi by 2. So you can write I equal to I0 cos omega t, and the form is I equal to I0 sin omega t plus pi by 2. Here it is the alternating current. In any alternating current circuit, when only capacitor is connected, so alternating current to be found I equal to I0 sin omega t plus pi by 2. But applied voltage in this case, the applied voltage V equal to V0 sin omega t. So here V equal to V0 sin omega t, applied alternating voltage, and current to be found is that I equal to I0 sin omega t plus pi by 2. That means here the current is maximum before the alternating voltage, and we can say that, in other words, the alternating current is that leading from the voltage. It is the leading from the voltage from pi by 2 or 90 degree. So we can say that here in this case, when only capacitor is connected in any alternating current circuit, the alternating current is leading from alternating voltage in pi by 2 और 90 डिग्री आगे होती है, 90 डिग्री लीडिंग करती है करंट वोल्टेज से जो है करंट 90 डिग्री आगे होती है, लीड करती है, लीडिंग फ्रॉम पाई बाई 2 या 90 डिग्री फ्रॉम द अल्टरनेटिंग वोल्टेज. क्लियर? सो हियर it have the calculate of the phase difference. So phase difference is here 90 degree from the applied alternating voltage and the alternating current, is that the phase difference is 90 degree in case of only capacitor is connected in any alternating current circuit. That means current is leading from voltage in pi by 2 or 90 degree. And how can calculate the value of reactance? So reactance की वैल्यू कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है? In this case, when only capacitor is connected, so reactance. So calculation of reactance. So reactance calculated is that CV0 omega equal to I0. CV0 equal to I0. अब हम इसमें V0 से कर दें दोनों तरफ, ठीक है? तो V0 से V0 कैंसिल हुआ, तो ओमेगा C इक्वल टू I0 अपॉन V0, या V0 अपॉन I0 इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन ओमेगा C. इस तरह सिस्टमेटिक आपको हल करना है, नहीं तो गलत कर देते हैं. So we can calculate the value of the ratio between the voltage and current, and the ratio of the voltage and current it gives the effective resistance in this case, in this circuit, or called reactance. ठीक है? So here we can write the reactance is denoted by capital X, and C is indicate here that only capacitor is connected in any alternating current circuit. So in this case the reactance is denoted by XC, and X is the symbol of the reactance. क्लियर? आपको पहले बताया गया. So XC equal to 1 upon omega C. So in this case the reactance of any alternating current circuit when only the capacitor is connected. Clear? So here, and the phase difference between the current and voltage is that 90 degree. Current is leading from the voltage 90 degree, and their reactance or effective resistance is that next में XC equal to 1 upon omega C. So we have calculated the value of reactance and phase difference in this case when only in alternating current circuit only capacitor is connected. क्लियर। और इसके आगे आपको प्रयास करना है, हम क्वेश्चन दे रहे हैं, आपको करना है थर्ड केस कि कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ रिएक्टेंस एंड फेज डिफरेंस बिटवीन द करंट एंड अल्टरनेटिंग वोल्टेज व्हेन इन एनी अल्टरनेटिंग करंट सर्किट ओनली इंडक्टिव कॉइल इज कनेक्टेड, ओनली इंडक्टिव कॉइल इज कनेक्टेड। ठीक है, तो अभी हम इसको आपको हम पहले समझाए दे रहे हैं, आप समझिए। सो हियर इन दिस केस द you have calculated the value of reactance is that the alternating voltage is leading from current from pi by 2 or 90 degree, इसका जस्ट इन्वर्स हो जाएगा। here current is leading from voltage 90 degree, but in case of only inductive coil is connected in any alternating current circuit, then alternating current is lagging from voltage, alternating voltage in pi by 2। मतलब कहने का कि जो अल्टरनेटिंग करंट है वो 90 डिग्री लैगिंग में होगी, पीछे होगी, वोल्टेज आगे होगी। तो आपको पहले बताया गया था कि हियर इन एनी अल्टरनेटिंग करंट सर्किट द अप्लाइड अल्टरनेटिंग वोल्टेज एंड करंट बोथ आर इन सेम फेज, बट देयर आर इन सेम फ्रीक्वेंसी, बट इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट दे आर इन सेम फेज, इट इज डिपेंड ऑन द नेचर ऑफ द सर्किट। दैट मीन्स in any alternating current circuit which factors is connected, such as only capacitor is connected, only inductive coil is connected, only ohmic resistance is connected. So the phase difference depends on their connected elements, connected factors। ठीक है, so we can calculate the value of phase difference, ठीक है, in the case of only inductive coil is connected in your next topic। क्लियर, आपको करना है, इसको घर पे सॉल्व करना है और इसमें कैलकुलेट करना है रिएक्टेंस का। सो रिएक्टेंस की जो कैलकुलेशन होगी हम बता रहे हैं आपको, XL इक्वल टू ओमेगा एल, इसमें XC इक्वल टू 1/ओमेगा C आया है, आगे XL इक्वल टू ओमेगा एल आएगा। और जो अल्टरनेटिंग करंट होगी इज दैट लैगिंग फ्रॉम वोल्टेज इन पाई बाई 2, लीडिंग ना होगा, लैगिंग होगा इन पाई बाई 2। यहाँ करंट लीड करती है वोल्टेज से, अभी जो हम समझाए हैं जब कैपेसिटर इज कनेक्टेड है तो, लेकिन व्हेन ओनली इंडक्टिव कॉइल इज कनेक्टेड देन हियर करंट इज लैगिंग फ्रॉम वोल्टेज इन पाई बाई 2 और 90 डिग्री। क्लियर, सो कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ at your home, and if you have any doubts or problem then ask me, I will try to remove your doubt। Clear।